Hello friends, welcome to PKS Business Info. Today we are going to talk about recession. As we know that GDP of India is on downward slope for last 2 years. From 7 it came to 6, then 5, then 4 and then 3. And recently Government of India has released the GDP data and it is minus 23.9% for the first quarter of this financial year. So roughly it is around 24%. So India is in recession. Today in our discussion we will discuss the various points related to recession and ultimately what we all can do to face this recession. Some background history. We all know there was a Great Depression of 1929 and it happened because there was stock crash problem in USA and it was there for 1929 until 1930 it was there. And it was very severe. But ultimately, world could control this. And in India, this is our almost fifth recession. And whatever recession have happened in India, mainly because of drought or balance of payment problem or oil related problem, so because of pure economic reasons. But this recession of 2020, it is going to be very severe and very complex because that Great Depression, it was a purely economic phenomena. Other recessions of India, they were mainly because of economic issues. But the recession we are facing now, it is very complex. First of all, there were economic problems. As we know that for last 2 years, quarter by quarter, GDP was going down and down. So there were problems in the economy even before COVID-19. And then in March, COVID-19 happened and then lockdown was implemented. In a way, lockdown was good, but the way it was implemented, it has hampered the economic activities all over the India. So, why it is complex than previous recessions? In previous recessions, it was only economic issue. Here basically health issue is there and which is complicating economic issues which we were not able to handle properly. So it is difficult than previous recessions. Now people are asking when this recession will end. So we have to understand that as of now we are standing at minus 23.9% of GDP. And this minus 23.9 or 24%, this data itself is not 100% confirmed because informal data has not been collated as yet. But even though if we will take it as 24.9 24%, it is a Herculean task to bring it to the zero. And then we can think of having positive growth in GDP. So, if we take that, okay, every quarter we will be improving. So, even though it will take around 1.5 years to 2 years to reach at zero level. But going by the history of the things, we have some doubts. So, almost 2 years will go in coming to the zero level, and then somewhere here and there some upticks will be there, and then 2023 will be coming. In 2024 elections are there. So normally 1 year before the election, government goes into election mode. So nothing much happens. So we can very clearly assume that till next election it will be more or less same. So we have to cross our fingers and we have to see what happens after election. Till 2024, it will be more or less same. Now, what happens in recession? I'll give you some example. In my 500 meter radius, small hotels, they are closed down. Vegetable shop is temporarily closed down. 2 juice shops, they are closed. 1 kirana shop, it is closed. 1 jeans shop is there, that is closed. So these are the some examples where the shops are permanently closed or temporarily closed. And whatever shops are open, there is very minimal business. I happened to visit one mall, and feedback was that only 50% footfall is there. And please remember, footfall will be less, customers will be less, because Corona is there, COVID is there. Just yesterday, 3,419 positive cases happened in Bangalore only. 95,000 plus case happened in India. And it is increasing day by day. We don't know the future, what will happen in future. There is no vaccine yet, and we don't see that Corona is going down. So, Corona, unless Corona is going down or there is a vaccine, it will keep affecting our business, and in a very big way. So we all have to be ready to face this recession, and we are not here to create any panic, but data is before us, history is before us. So we have to understand what will be the situation in future, and we have to prepare ourselves. Now there are different stakeholders. Government is there, businessmen are there, society is there, individual persons are there. Now what government can do? Basically, government should increase fiscal expenditure, and it should put money into the hands of people in a broader way. That government can do. Businessmen, basically, they have to prepare themselves for minimum 2 to 3 years, and they have to see in this type of recession how they can sustain. And there are different ways and means. For employees also, there is a big problem. Unemployment is increasing. Almost 2 crore plus jobs are already lost because of lockdown. So in recession, unemployment will be there, productivity will be less, consumption will be less, demand will be less, profit will be less. And in this type of recession, which is due to COVID, people won't spend money. They would like to save money for their health. For few items, they may try to put money, for example, 2-wheeler or maybe 4-wheeler. But people won't spend money for high cost items. So you see, it will be problem from all the sides. But we have to take heart and we have to come out of this recession. We remember during 1929, President Roosevelt was there in USA. He famously said, "Thank God, it is only materialistic problem." So we need that type of statesmanship from the leaders of nation from the leaders of business community, from the leaders of society, and only then we can tide over this problem. And please remember, during this recession, there will be multiple problems. Domestic violence will increase. There might be law and order issues. So we all have to cooperate and we all have to help each other, and we have to appeal to the government that government should come up with lot of projects and policies so that we can come out of this recession. And yes, since we are in recession, so there will be problems, there will be losses, and there will be multiple issues. But we believe if we are prepared, then we can face this difficult situation. So we will stop here. Please send your queries related to recession, and in next episode we will try to answer your queries. Please subscribe our channel, comment, like. It is your channel and it is for the dissemination of information. Thank you very much.